Yeah, this is Srilata, Chief Dietitian, Medicover Hospitals, Madhapur. Today we'll be talking about the foods which play a real role in controlling diabetes. As we all know that India is rising in terms of diabetes, we rank as second in the world for diabetic population. Now it is in our hands to control diabetes. We don't need to be panic once we are diabetic. All we need to do is to take care of the blood sugars. By controlling the body weight, we can just stay away from the organ damage or the ill effects of diabetes. The most important thing for a diabetic person is a balanced diet. A diet with a portion control is important. That is, in terms of carbohydrate, the carbohydrate what a diabetic person consumes should be having high complex fiber. Complex carbohydrates are more of focus in diabetic population. Limited amounts of simple carbohydrates to be consumed, and to avoid the refined carbohydrates which will have a very bad effect on the health. So avoiding the bakery products is most important, and foods prepared with refined flour or maida to be stopped or occasionally consumed in small amounts, and whole grain millets and cereals are to be focused on. But remember, the portion size is most important for a diabetic person. So limit the consumption of carbohydrates. It depends upon the type of work the person does, the current body weight according to his height. It depends upon that. Any qualified dietitian would help you out in sketching a plan for a person. Pulses or proteins are really important for a diabetic person. It adds to satiety, it adds lots of fiber in the diet, and most important, protein for a diabetic person. So at least 100 grams of pulses to be included in the diet. If a person is non-vegetarian, to include fish at least 250 grams per week, and skinless chicken around 75 to 100 grams per week, and red meat to be consumed in small amounts occasionally, could be fortnightly once, and eggs, which is rare favorite for most of the population, at least 2 to 3 whole eggs which are boiled can be consumed. And remember not to fry an egg or prepare an omelette or a burji which consumes salt and oil, and try not to do this. And coming to vegetables, which are really important for a diabetic, at least 500 grams of vegetables to be included in the form of salads, curries or sambars, or any types of stuffed parathas. Likewise, greens are really important for its vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, an important source of fiber even. So again, in the form of chutneys, salads, or in the form of curries, or you can just puree them and add it to your rotis, or you can stuff it in the rotis even. So greens play an important role in diabetic population. And also the important food group is roots and tubers. Most population would like to eat potatoes, which is really high in calories, very high in carbohydrate. So people who maintain their diabetic very well can take them in small amounts occasionally, but poorly controlled obese population should try to avoid tubers. Colocasia is okay once in a while. Sweet potato again once in a while, 100 grams should be okay as a snack or a sabzi. And carrot and beetroot 100 grams can be taken because they have good amounts of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. And apart from the roots and tubers, you also have radish and turnip. This can be taken in any amounts because it is stored as water than starch. Nuts and oil seeds again are really important for a diabetic. So consume at least 15 to 20 grams of nuts every day, and reduce the consumption of oil to 4 to 5 teaspoons per day. And apart from this, milk and milk products are really important for calcium, phosphorus, vitamin A, D, and also protein. So try to incorporate a fat-free or a low-fat milk, at least 500 ml per day for vegetarians and 350 ml per day for non-vegetarians. And coming to the sweets and sugars, try to avoid them. Occasionally a small chunk should be okay on festive occasions. Try to avoid fruit juices, refined beverages, proprietary beverages, Try to limit alcohol or avoid alcohol, and do not consume the bakery products which can increase the sugars. All you need to focus is more of vegetables, more of whole grain cereals and pulses and healthy nuts, limited amounts of fiber, limited amounts of fat, and avoid the junk. And also incorporate good physical activity in our daily life. This makes our diabetics life very happy and healthy. Thank you.